Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to add a menu to your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page of your website where at the left side screen you can find all the sections you have for managing your website, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started with adding menus to our pages and to our website. What we're looking for guys is right here at the left side screen. You want to find appearance options. So find appearance at the left side screen, and then you want to open up the editor that's going to appear. Click on editor. After clicking on editor, this is going to open up this new editor for your website where we can now get started with looking and designing how our website looks. So what I can do is click on anywhere. This is now going to open up this new editor mode where in the upper left corner we can get started with adding options that we want to use. We have this big plus button that we can click, and this is now going to open up this new menu where we have a search bar for searching what we need, and what we can search for is menu. Basically guys, this is going to enable us to go ahead and add any kind of menu we want. As you can see, you have multiple menus right here. You can decide how you want it to look. You can add page list, a navigation that's going to enable you to go ahead and find any page from your menu, and so on, that you can get started with implementing into your page. So click on what you want to add, get started dragging it into your website and using it. Once you're satisfied, click the save button in the upper right corner and apply it. So it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.